To save videos from your Xiaomi Smart Camera C100 into your phone storage, you have to just go for Storage Management. Now, you have to go for your micro SD card or cloud, pick the video that you want to save into your phone, open this video, and right now we have to click on the right upper corner on this small icon, select this video. By the way, you can select multiple videos if you want, and click on Save button. You just click on it, and now as you can see, the download has started. So when you click on the view, we can see how fast it is actually downloading. And now we will be able to find this video in our files. So in my case, if I'm gonna open files on my Google Pixel phone and go for the videos, as you can see here, I can find video from my camera. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching.